Hi everyone, this is Jeremiah Wong from Frontier Precision Unmanned, and today I'm going to show you how to find your remote ID in DJI Pilot 2. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to turn on our drone. So this is the M300 right here, and we're going to turn on our smart controller right here. Once we turn on our smart controller, we can see the screen pops up, the default screen. Let me swap on over. Inside the screen, we're going to then go to Pilot 2. Once we are in Pilot 2, we'll look to the top left of the screen up here, and we're going to see the max altitude 1640 feet, and then underneath that you'll see in little smaller text RID. We're going to click on that right there. We'll get to our geozones map again. In the bottom left you'll see two buttons, license and RID. We're going to hit the RID. Now once we hit RID, you can see another screen pops up, and we have both the aircraft serial number and our remote ID serial number right here too. So that is what you would go through and need when you go through and do your registration. So hopefully that helps you out in finding your remote ID. If you need anything else, definitely feel free to reach out to UAS at frontierprecision.com. Talk to you guys later.